In less than 3.5 months from now, Kenya heads to the general election in an exercise dubbed by many as a make or break for the Kenyan economy. During past elections, Kenya has seen a reduction in investor and tourist numbers due to post-election violence fears. Security experts say the ongoing campaigns coupled by threats of terror are clouding Kenya's risk profile.
We're assessing there may be isolated incidents, whether that be here in Nairobi, Western Kenya or coastal regions, but really bringing that back to what does that mean for all of us that live here, and apologies for those that are outside of Kenya. How does that impact us here on a day-to-day basis? Obviously from a security or a disruption perspective, yes. But from an investment perspective, really, we're not seeing as yet a change in our regional and international clients.
Kenya's problem is further exacerbated by uncertainty in the United States and the decision by the United Kingdom to leave the European Union bloc. Rating agency Standard & Poor's says Kenya's short to mid-term outlook remains stable, although the rating may change depending on how the country conducts the elections.
Some of the risks that we see could be outweighed by the pace of growth, which is supported by infrastructure investments, as well as some of the short-term risks that we see with the infrastructure investments that bring fiscal and external stresses, that if the pace of growth remains where it is at the high level, that could save at least the economy of Kenya.
Benin President Patrice Talon said Africa's risk is overquoted, making the continent less lucrative for investment. The meeting has also identified cybercrime as a major threat facing many African countries, with the experts urging countries to develop strong legislations that safeguard against cyber criminals.